Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat channel quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora. Some of you know me and most of you do not know me. I hope कि आप सबकी preparations बहुत अच्छी चल रही हो. And in this video, I'm specifically going to talk about the booster course that is going to start shortly. किसको वो कोर्स लेना चाहिए, क्यों वो कोर्स लेना चाहिए, किसको वो कोर्स नहीं लेना चाहिए, and I'll be very honest with my words and my approach. All right. Now, when I start talking about it, it is one of the most proven course out there. हमारा सबसे ज्यादा proved course है. Last year इस course में से हमने 16 बच्चे produce किए जिन्होंने 99 percentile से ज्यादा लिए. So it shows that it is the kind of catalyst that you need in your preparation when you are stuck at some place. अगर आपके मॉक्स के स्कोर्स रुके हुए हैं, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा आपकी क्या नई डायरेक्शन होनी चाहिए, and you are not able to organize the things at your own, there is a lot of mess around you, और आपको एक अच्छे डायरेक्शन चाहिए, then this course is specifically for you. These are our results as of now. शुरू से लेके एंड तक के हमारे रिजल्ट्स हैं ये, right? Which are our toppers, right? Now, what makes this course special and why you should go about it? Now, I have attached some WhatsApp screenshots in order to give some live proofs to you, right? अगर आप देखें तो हमारी जो प्रैक्टिस है क्लास के बाद, रात को हमारी क्लास खत्म होती है 11:30 पौने 12 बजे. क्लास खत्म होने के बाद 12 बजे प्रैक्टिस हो रही है, 12:30 प्रैक्टिस हो रही है, सुबह 10 बजे प्रैक्टिस हो रही है. और राइट, सो 1:15 बजे प्रैक्टिस हो रही है. आई एम पुशिंग एवरीवन दैट इफ यू हैव कंप्लीटेड समथिंग, टेक्स्ट मी अप इन ऑर्डर टू टेल मी कि आपने करा है या नहीं करा है. ये दीज आर ऑल द थिंग्स दैट मेक्स दिस some makes that shows that someone is out there which has taken your ownership and is after your lives कि आप कीजिए काम, right? And I will be that person who will be after your life till the cat and after that till that and all the other exams कि आप ये करो, please करो. Yeah, the classes will be live on the Zoom, right? Live interactive sessions होते हैं ये, ठीक है? These are not some pre-recorded sessions. You will get all the recordings, right? I will talk about the timings and everything in detail. You will be doing a lot of practice as I have shown you. Some of the practice will be in the Facebook group, and for a lot of stuff, assignments will be given to you. You will be in an environment where you will see that people are putting the effort all the time. वो जो peer group होता है ना, dedicated peer group with the common motive, that will be really helpful for you. And right, that is not a unregulated environment. That is a regulated environment where there is no spam, nothing else, just cat, right? I make sure that we are doing all the things in a very sequential way, in a very proper way, right? So these things are these are those things which will make this course special. So agar you are an individual who needs this environment, you are an individual who needs that revision, you are the individual for whom the scores are stuck, this is the most affordable course you can find out there. All right, and I assure you that आप अपने बर्थडे की पार्टी देते हो ना, 5,000 रुपए वहां खर्च देते हो, these 5,000 can change your career, right? Please invest very carefully wherever you invest. All right, now when I talk about this course in detail, क्या क्या included रहेगा हमारे पास? First of all, there are live classes on Zoom with recording. The timing will be 9 p.m. onwards. All right, 9 रात को 9 बजे के बाद क्लास शुरू होगी, लगभग 12 बजे तक क्लास चलेगी आपकी with a 15 minutes break. All right, आपको पर्सनल पोर्टल दिया जाएगा, मेंटरिंग दी जाएगी आपको, दैट हाउ यू शुड नो हाउ यू नीड टू गो अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग. If you there are two types of doubts a student can have, a strategic doubt and academic doubt. Academic doubt माने कि आप कोई चीज कर रहे हैं और आप वो चीज कर नहीं पा रहे, आपसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा, उसके लिए आपको एनरोल स्टूडेंट के ग्रुप में ऐड किया जाएगा जहां पे आप क्वेश्चन की पिक्चर डालेंगे और वो डाउट जल्दी से जल्दी सॉल्व होगा. सेकंड इज योर स्ट्रेटेजिक डाउट कि आप एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आपके पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन में मार्क्स बढ़िया नहीं आ रहे, उसके लिए आपको क्या प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए, क्या स्टडीज रखनी चाहिए. फॉर दैट यू विल कनेक्ट विद मी पर्सनली. ऑलराइट, now in the complete course, in the booster course, there is something called mini test series. Now these are 75 perfectly curated mini mocks which we will be providing you in the last days, which will make sure कि आप हर चीज बढ़िया से कर रहे हो. इसके अंदर आपके QA के चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट आएंगे, जैसे ज्योमेट्री के टेस्ट होंगे, अलजेब्रा के टेस्ट होंगे, नंबर सिस्टम के टेस्ट होंगे, राइट, वर्बल के टेस्ट होंगे. दो देयर इज नो वर्बल इंक्लूडेड इन द कोर्स, वर्बल की क्लासेस इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, बट देयर विल बी वर्बल टेस्ट व्हिच विल कम विद वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस which will be very helpful for you, right? These are the timings. The timings here mentioned are not right, there is some error here. The timings are as I have told you, the timing is 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. These are the 3 hours classes, right? These are not the right classes. Okay, now how we are going to go about the syllabus part. So when I talk about the QA part, we are going to start with the backbone of QA, that is called arithmetic. All right. After arithmetic, we will jump to number system. After number system, we will cover algebra. After algebra, we will be covering geometry. We are trying that we will be wrapping up the syllabus by October end or by the first week of November, so that you have enough space to revise the things at your pace and to prepare for the final lab. Right? We will not be leaving you alone. There will still be workshop, but this is that time where you can go take the final leave. For DILR specifically, we will be covering it in two ways. Your miscellaneous practice that will be done every day in our Facebook group, and you will get some tests with the video solutions. This is first thing. Second thing that you will be getting is the chapter wise practice and theory. Right, we will be covering all the chapters theoretically in our live classes. For example, the topics like games and tournaments, Venn diagrams, which require some special knowledge, right, which require some concepts. We will be covering those one by one. All right. So these are the things in which we will be paying special care. We will make sure that we are covering around 400 sets in the remaining days. Right, we will try to cover these many sets in the remaining days so that we are right on the track, and and we will make sure that we are covering at least 10,000 questions on geometry. If we are sorry on quant, not only on geometry, 10,000 questions on quant, right, and 400 sets in order to make sure that you are on the right track. If reading all these things, and if you still have any doubt around the course or anything, you can WhatsApp me at this number provided. Right, this is number provided to you. My name is Sahil Arora. All right, you can always text me up. Right, if you still have any doubt. Otherwise, this course, trust me, will suffice all your needs. आपने क्या चीज कैसे करनी है आपके लिए, I will be preparing it. You will just have to complete the things. All right. I hope that these things are clear to you. All the very best, guys. See you in the classes.